picture together just to show our bosses we're doing our job.
Absolutely.
Just on social
need to
media.
prove it.
And I can take that from you. Awesome.
That's good.
It is good.
Very good. All right, this evening we're going to have some fondue at the house. Look at this. Look at it. Will you just look at that? I add a little blue cheese to it, and we have some Jarlsberg cheese. We have Gruyere and
Emmentaler.
So,
And we got a little speck.
got a little speck to have on the side. Spread, some broccoli. There are baby golden potatoes that'll come out. I've got them sitting in the oven staying warm right now. Remember, folks, when you make things to dip into your fondue, make sure you don't cook them so much that they fall off the fork into the fondue.
Yes.
That is a faux
Big
pas.
no-no.
Faux pas.
But fondue's fun for Christmas season.
Yeah, and I haven't been able to ride a motorcycle for 2 days, and this is called therapy.
This is therapy. All right.
Not happy about
I will.
that. But
We'll get on it tomorrow.
we'll get on it tomorrow.